Welcome to AI Tools, your survival kit. Today, we're diving into the future of video editing with mind-blowing AI tools. Let's get started. The world of video editing is transforming. AI is at the forefront. Offering tools that were once unimaginable. Let's explore some of these groundbreaking innovations. First up is RunwayML. This online video editor is a powerhouse, offering a range of AI magic tools. From removing unwanted objects with a simple brush over, to creating Hollywood-style color grades using text commands. RunwayML is a game changer. The future of AI in video editing is here. And it's awe-inspiring.
RunwayML is an online software that revolutionizes video editing.
Or it might be some drone footage that you just want a clean play of. I'm going to show you guys how this new tool by Runway works. It's called Enhancement.
Looking for resources? Envato Elements is your one-stop shop. With thousands of stock video clips, templates, music, and effects. Creativity knows no bounds. It's a treasure trove for every video editor. Audio is the soul of a video. And LaLa AI.
And my wife is also just opening and closing some drawers and things in the kitchen. You can imagine this is like.
Is the master of audio enhancement.
So I am sat next to my dishwasher, which is doing its thing. And my wife is also just opening and closing some drawers and things in the kitchen. You can imagine this is like.
Separate vocals from music.
There's no room for expiration. Spoil me with unbroken promises. There's no room for expiration. Spoil me with unbroken promises. Promise me that our love will stay fresh.
Improve old recordings.
You are such an amazing person, beautiful inside and out.
And create crystal clear soundscapes.
You are someone that I can always rely on, who always has my back and vice versa.
Whether avoiding copyright strikes or reviving precious memories, LaLa AI has you covered.
LaLa AI uses artificial intelligence to separate the vocals and the instruments from a song.
Now if you're a DJ, a singer, or a producer, or anyone who works with music, this video is for you. Because I'm going to introduce you to this amazing tool called LaLa.ai, or LaLa as I like to call it.
There's an AI called LaLa AI. So using this AI, you can actually extract vocals, instruments, and so on.
These tools are just the tip of the iceberg. The future of AI and video editing is vast and ever expanding. From hobbyists to professionals, these tools are revolutionizing the way we create. What's your favorite tool? Share your thoughts in the comments below. The world of AI video editing is beyond imagination. The tools we explored today are shaping the future. Making creativity limitless and accessible to all. The journey has just begun. And the possibilities are endless. Stay curious. Stay creative. And that's a wrap. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of AI, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned to AI Tools, your survival kit for more exciting content. Until next time, keep innovating and stay curious.